everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to show you all how I install BetterLength Light Yaki Seamless Clip-in Hair Extensions. This is one of their newest products, so I am very excited to share it with you all. And I obviously have them installed right now. In this video, I'm going to review and show you all the install, but I did want to let you all know the specs about these clip-ins real quick before we hop into the install. So I received one bundle of their seamless light Yaki clip-ins in 20 inches. Each bundle comes with 10 pieces. It comes with 4 2-clip clip-ins, 2 3-clip clip-ins, 2 4-clip clip-ins, and 2 5-clip clip-ins. The 5 was a surprise to me, y'all, because I know from all the clip-ins that I've received from different companies, I have never received 5 clips. So the main difference with these clip-ins than the ones that I usually try out are that these are seamless clip-ins. So they are a lot lighter than your regular clip-in hair extensions. They lay a lot flatter, I noticed, than your regular clip-in hair extensions. And to me, it literally is a more seamless install. With that seam basically being black, to me it blends in a lot more as well, so you're not really seeing the clip-ins. Like the regular ones hide, but I feel like these seamless ones really are really seamless. That's the best way I can explain it. It's in the name. I have these clip-ins in a natural color, the color that they came in, so I did not dye them or anything, and it's a pretty good match to my natural hair. This is my natural hair here in the front and the clip-ins, and I feel like it's basically a perfect match. So snaps to that. Don't have to do any extra dyeing, so I really do appreciate that. And I actually thoroughly like these seamless clip-ins. It is a game changer to me. And so if you have not tried seamless clip-ins, I recommend it. Alright y'all, so let's get into this install. At the time of me recording this video, I had been wearing the clip-ins for over 2 weeks. So I can give y'all some real intel on these seamless clip-ins. Like I said before, I really do like these seamless clip-ins. I love how flat they lay and how lightweight they are. Some days I slept with them in, some days I took them out. Right now, as I'm recording this voiceover, I have had the clip-ins in for 3 or 4 days now, like sleeping with them in. I don't usually do that or recommend that, but y'all, with these clip-ins, they don't budge. I don't feel them snag on my hair. Obviously there's some that I might have to adjust just because of the way I slept, but for the most part there's no pain with me sleeping with them in. I honestly hardly feel them. When installing, I do recommend putting in the shorter clip-in pieces towards the top of your head, because I notice with the longer pieces, as you go higher up on your head, they tend to bunch more. So you want to put them more in the middle, basically where your head is wider is where you want to lay them, so that that clip-in can stretch more and stay flat, because as you go higher up and run out of space and start to curve around your head, it will bunch. So just be strategic with how you're installing these clip-ins. So style-wise, I decided to do a little bang action. These bangs weren't strategically made. I just have bangs now. So I decided to do a little side part swoop action, but I thought that it looked really cute. It's pretty similar to how I wore my hair in high school. So it's kind of throwback Erin. But I found this style to be very cute. I got several compliments. I also forgot to mention that I installed every last clip-in except for one of the 5 clip-ins. I have achieved this style using even less than that, but I wanted to give you all a more fuller look for this video. And a lot of people thought and think that it is my hair. So this light Yaki texture mimics my natural hair texture very well. I hope you guys like it. I really like these clip-ins. So if you all are interested in trying out BetterLength's seamless clip-ins, I will have all of the details down below in the description for you. And I will see you all in my next video. Take care of yourselves, be kind to yourselves, and bye.